Just see if we can actually get that panel out. I'm pushing up in the middle. Because being glass, it's very likely to just shatter. Well, I can actually see straight through, so I think anything useful on the back, any solar coating, is actually coming off anyway. Yeah. That is just a piece of glass now. That green stuff down there, you can see the tracks on it. So that's no good to anybody. Unless you particularly want a little glass square for something. Right, well, I think I might go and stick all this in a jar of, oh, that's cracked, in a bowl of soapy water and see if we can just clean it up anyway. Wasting time, but I'll do it. Well, the plastic's cleaned up quite nicely. As I say, waste of time because it's not going to be going back together. And I was thinking that was discoloration, but it looks like it's supposed to be some sort of copper effect matching the posts. Although some of that's rubbed off anyway. This is obviously silver. And the solar panel is useless. It is 60 by 60, so I suppose I could buy a new panel. We'll see what happens with the rest of it in the window with the solar panel on it. If that actually puts some power into those batteries, then it might be worth saving it. I mean, there's no silvering on that central section, so it won't be as bright as it should be. We'll see. We'll see what we can do. Right, Thursday the 2nd of September. Let's take the flash off again. And we can see that this one has charged up nicely. We've had a bit of sun today, so this is what's that, 2nd, 1st, 31st, that's about 3 days since I put that in the window, and it is still recharging itself all right using that big panel, so that's positive. So we might go ahead and try and fix it. Well, I've actually ordered a replacement panel, a 60 by 60. So we will see. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.